As the final chapter of the year, December provides the perfect occasion to embrace its themes of joy, togetherness, and introspection. Whether in a home, office, or classroom, a whiteboard painted wall adorned with motivational, festive, or reflective quotes can set the tone for this special time of year. This video highlights a collection of December quotes, categorized into themes such as work motivation, relationships, Christmas spirit, and more. December often brings year-end goals and deadlines. Use these quotes to encourage productivity and determination on your whiteboard wall. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Robert Collier. Year's end is neither an end nor a beginning, but a going on. Hal Borland. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. Albert Einstein. Celebrate togetherness and the value of relationships with these quotes that can strengthen bonds and bring warmth to your whiteboard painted wall. The best gift around any Christmas tree is the presence of a happy family all wrapped up in each other. Burton Hillis. Kindness is like snow. It beautifies everything it covers. Khalil Gibran. Love is not something you find. Love is something that finds you. Loretta Young. These quotes remind us of the spiritual and emotional essence of Christmas, perfect for adding depth to your whiteboard wall. Christmas isn't a season, it's a feeling. Edna Ferber. The true spirit of Christmas is love. Linda Willis. Peace on earth will come to stay when we live Christmas every day. Helen Steiner. Rice. December is an ideal time for introspection and planning. These quotes help bring closure to the year and inspire hope for the future. Reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has many. Charles Dickens. Each year's regrets are envelopes in which messages of hope are found. John R. Dallas Jr. Hope smiles from the threshold of the year to come. Alfred Lord Tennyson. December is a festive month, and your whiteboard wall can reflect the lighter side of the holiday season. These fun and cheerful quotes can bring smiles to everyone who reads them. In December, even my coffee needs a sweater. Dave Barry. Santa Claus had the right idea. Visit people only once a year. Victor Borge. I'm only a morning person on December 25th. Rainbow Roll. Transform your whiteboard painted wall into a centerpiece for the season, bringing meaning and beauty into every moment. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist, or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.